This quick video is on how we can restore or reopen any accidentally closed Safari tab. Let's open Safari first. Then press on this tabs button. Now you can see all the opened Safari tabs. Let's close YouTube. Okay, let's close two more tabs, Apple and Facebook. Now if you wanna get back any of these tabs, all you need to do is just long press on this plus button. And here you can see all the recently closed Safari tabs. Let's tap on YouTube. As we can see, YouTube is now restoring. It means we need to tap on the tabs button, then long press on this plus button. Finally, we just need to tap on the tab we wanna reopen. Pretty simple. Guys, if you like my video and wanna see more videos like this, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I need lots of subscribers to monetize my channel, so I'm asking for your help. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.